building the quality process into our manufacturing from the very beginning, when we first develop a product, all the way to the end. Our sourcing is where everything starts. So we do a lot of work on the front end, and those relationships with our vendors that we've had for 25 years are invaluable to being able to provide not only the product the customer wants, but the supply chain, so that we can consistently provide what the customer wants. It's incredibly important to be able to rely on those vendors with those relationships that we've built to make sure that those raw materials that meet our quality specifications and standards are available when we need them, so that we can provide the customer what they need when they need it. Whether it be a new product or an improvement on an existing product, we work with our customer to figure out exactly what they want that product to be. We validate and qualify every ingredient that we bring in. All of the testing on the inbound that we do for our materials, we don't skip lot test. There's a ton of things out there we could do to cut costs. We just don't do that. Every lot, every receipt, every time, we do full testing to make sure that that product is exactly what it's supposed to be. And then we do full finish testing on the outbound. In the middle, we're doing all of our AQL checks, all of our inline process checks, making sure that product is exactly what it's supposed to be. Identity, potency, purity, known contaminants, all those things that are buzzwords in the industry that everybody talks about, but we're actually doing them, and we're doing them consistently and repeatedly to make sure that even if we got a product 6 months ago, that product is exactly what it's still supposed to be today. Every lot, every receipt, every time.